Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what message the tarot has for you all out there, and the Ace of Swords came through. And this is all about really celebrating, right? So it's a time for realizing that you've triumphed over maybe hard times, or you've been working towards something. You might have had some trouble in your relationship, money, whatever it is, and you've triumphed over that. And so this is a time of celebrating that, right? You've got to celebrate that you have pushed forward and moved through whatever it is that you've been going through. So, this card really signifies victory and triumph over difficulties. And you've used like a lot of strength to do that. And also you've had to have a lot of clarity of thought, right? So you've had to be clear in your mind to get towards where you want to go. So your goal has had to have been really clear as you move towards it, and keeping that mind on that you can do it and that you are working towards it, and not on that you can't do it, it's taking too long, I don't know if I'm going to get there. You've had to really, have a lot of inner strength and focus on that you can do it and you can get to where you want to go, right? So, this, as I said, it represents a great force of strength and inner power. And it also shows you that you have the ability to overcome setbacks and adversity. And so through your own actions, you have moved into victory and triumph over where you've been moving towards. So well done. Celebrate. Let me know in the comments, what are you celebrating? I'd love to know, because, sometimes when we go for goals in this life, it's not always easy. And if you have moved towards those goals and you have successfully manifested them into your reality, you should be celebrating that. So let me know in the comments, what are you celebrating? And also ask for clarification on this card as well. And when I did that, this card came out, Wheel of Fortune, which is really cool. So the message here is that you've moved through the triumphs and the adversity, and you've actually got through it. So you should be celebrating that. And so this will then go on to the Wheel of Fortune, which is everything will start to work out, right, for you. All the right things will start to come in, all the right people, places, events, all of that kind of thing. And so also, if you felt like you have had a string of bad luck lately, well, the Wheel of Fortune comes in to say things are going to get better. The wheel has turned in your favor, and you may start getting a lot of outcomes and start to actually, how can I say it? If you've been having bad luck, start to have a bit of good luck and start to feel like you've opened up the flow a little bit more by moving towards the goal that you want, or goals that you wanted to achieve. And you've had to use all your inner strength to get towards that. And you might have had some obstacles and all of that, and you've done that. And now that has set you on a journey of the Wheel of Fortune where the wheel has turned in your favor. So that's good news, guys. We're moving towards what we want, which is awesome. So let me know if this has been helpful in the comments. And if you've liked it, make sure you hit the like so I know to bring you more readings like this. And subscribe, hit the bell notification, because then you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Enjoy!